What's up, guys? Way better, Mike. Much better. Setup improved. No watermark. I promise. I'm gonna edit this video. I promise there's not gonna be a watermark. I think I'm on night 3, so let's just get started. Good morning. What a beautiful day it is yet again. Seabill's our first customer. He wants you to build 2 things: a broken ship and a wooden board. He will surely give you something in return, so don't keep him waiting. It might be money. Now go off into the world and... Oh. What? What is that? What is that? Good morning. Are you Tyke Chop? That's me. You're under arrest for sleep disturbance and theft. What? Why me? Your killer machines have been seen last night wandering around the city, breaking into houses. They were taking some precious jewelry with them. This can't be. I gave all the plans to my son right here. Maybe he sabotaged them. Since he's a minor, you would still be responsible. Since when are we talking about age? We're animals, gosh. You can't talk yourself out. Your chip-chopping robots are a danger to the inhabitants and will no longer be permitted. What if I prove to you that it wasn't me? I can do that. Give me a bit more time. Please don't make this difficult. Get in the police car now. What's a car? Move now or I'll take out the taser. Mike, do something. Don't drag your son into this. Yeah, like, what am I supposed to do? What is that? You really built those machines? Oh wait, what's that? You really built... What's that? You really built those machines and you didn't see any problems in the plans? Fine, you'll get time until tomorrow to prove your innocence. If you can't do it, this company's gonna get shut down and every robot's getting destroyed. Remember tomorrow, that's one day, not a day longer. Oh shit. Only one day. And that, son's how you avoid the cops. But something isn't right. I really don't recall doing something illegal this time. We need to get to the bottom of this. You need to get to the bottom of this. Oh, shit. Oh, no. 1 second. There we go. Fixed it. Okay. Just gonna turn that down for myself a little bit. Alright. I forgot what he said to do. Build a shipwreck and a wooden bird for his stylishness, Seabill. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. Alright, wooden bird and stylishness. Didn't I get a wooden bird? Oh, no, that was a wooden frog. Oh my god. Look at all these trees. Alright, I think I'm gonna build them. Let's build them right here. I don't have anything right here, just trees. Alright. What do they cost? I can build the wooden bird. Okay, cool. I can build the shipwreck. This game is too easy. Siba wants to thank you for his efforts. Alright, let's go see him. See you guys when I'm there. Watch this, guys. I'm about to be rich. Oh. Okay. Oh. Whoa, does Seabill actually live here? Yes, bro, he does. It's in his cabin. And we are talking about the one and only Seabill. The one who survived the most brutal robot attack to date. We do, bro. Stillish Hat, exotic residence, owner of Seabill Industries. That's him. Whoa, that's sick. I'm his biggest fan. Especially the story about him surviving the robot attack is incredible. True, but he doesn't want to talk about it that really. Whoa. True, but he doesn't want to talk about that really. You gotta respect that, understand? Understood. Alright. I'm gonna talk to him about it. Thanks for the wooden bird and broken ship. Oh, thanks. The wooden bird and broken ship will come in handy someday, I assume. For now, I don't really have any tasks for you, and I think it's only fair that I give you something in return. No, not money. Who told you that I'd actually pay you with money? I have something far better. What? Some peeps were talking about me outside? They mentioned a robot attack? I feel a bit uncomfortable talking about that, but I guess you deserve to know. It happened a few years ago. I was attacked at night by a giant killer robot. A loud noise woke me up. I looked out the window and saw the machine. Oh shit, looks like an olive. It had weapons all over it, and it looked like a giant floating egg. I tried reaching out with my wing, hoping that it'd come in peace. Doing it like an adult, you know? The only thing I've gotten in return was a light blue beam that destroyed my house. I ended up lying in between piles of burned down wood that were once my home. But surprisingly, I was unharmed. Lucky you. To this day, people think that I'm invincible, but that's rubbish. I was simply lucky. It was a sad thing, though, as I've lost a whole lot of money that was stored in the cabin. But bad things happen from time to time, and I'm just happy that I'm still alive. Anyway, back to the main topic now. What I actually wanted to give you was this. A key card to the elevator that leads to the most epic place you'll ever visit. Go take a look. You will like what's down there. Okay. Let's go. Give me that coin. I thought there was a coin there. Oh, it's a light bulb. Whoa, look at this place, dude. Bird rave. Look, it's the wood bird. I'm not here for the music. It's too loud. I just think the DJ's really cute. Okay. What did you say? Sorry, the music's really loud. That's why I'm screaming like this. It's so calm and relaxing. If you say so. I get free stuff. Oh, no, 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 no. I know all the words. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I figured it was something. Oh. Okay. Or not. Something else. Just gonna go talk to Seabill again. Back up the elevator. Seabill wants to... Okay, so... Go take a look what's down the elevator. Thanks for all the free stuff, guys. Oh, did you see that? Oh, hey, is that the beaver dance? Rad. Aren't you the son of Tyke Chop? The son of the great Chipper Chop? I heard that your family had some sick remixes to offer back in the day. You should ask your father if he can lend us a classic beavery mix. Oh, I have to go all the way back to my dad. Oh boy. Alright. Father, I have something to ask you. Okay. Heyo, good you're here. Listen, I need your help again. One of my older robots that I thought was destroyed reactivated himself and now runs the Amug the Dump. You still owe me one since the coffee incident yesterday. Go fight the robot. Or make it go away. I don't care. As long as our precious company is safe again. Good luck, son. Oh, is this a boss fight? Oh boy. Oh boy. Something happened that really upsets me. I was supposed to get trashed, yet I'm working perfectly fine. I still woke up here in the dump this morning. You animals wanted to trash me. You disgusting, smelly animals. Look at my six-pack. I'm ripped. Ripped. I'm gonna crush you. I'm gonna smash you to the ground, sit on you, tear you apart, and make a lumber out of you. You think you can stop me? Even your stupid father's too scared to face me. That's why he sent you. He knows that I'm strong. He made me, and forgot to permanently turn me off. Sad thing. Time to suffer, beaver boy. Oh! Oh! Whoa. Alright, alright, alright. Get him. Get him. Boom. Suck on it. Oh, C. Oh, yeah. Alright, I got it. I got it. Oh, I don't got it. Oh, that's not fair, bro. Blast him. Blast him. Alright, I just have to wait till he stands still. Alright, let's go. Oh, you fucking... Come on, that's not even... That's... Come on. No, 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 no. Come on. Just plop down already. Get him! Get him! Get him! Please. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, let's go. I knew you could do it. I know you could do it. Overall, a pretty neat battle. I give it a 7 out of 10. So the DJ in Seabill's Underground Disco wanted a beavery song with a sick beaver beat. Glad to say I can deliver. I was young once too. I know what's hip. This one is called Look What You Made Me Chop by Timber Swift. What an old classic. Who can dislike that? I hope the few scratches on the disc haven't done anything to the tune. But there's no better way to know than to try it out. Go, son. Tell me if they like it. Alright, let's go. Yippee! Is there anything useful that I can craft? Because, like, I know there's other stuff that's just, like, not telling me about. Let's see. So this is... I have one of those already. I have one of those. I have one of those. I have one of those. I don't have a lighthouse. Plus ship parts. Okay. I don't have a glass cage. Plus feathers. Plus clouds. I need a crazy face and a crazier face. Plus fish. Really fancy. Ready for performance. I wonder if I could get Freddy. That'd be cool. Would he show up in the nighttime? We gotta find out. Look how much stuff you probably get from the mail. Boom, 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 boom. It's great. It's great. I don't know the beat. I'm making shit up. How much is crazier face? 60. And then you want 25 feathers? I have some. I don't know how close I am to 25. That might have been a waste. I don't know. Bought it anyway. Okay. C-Bill. I was just checking. Alright, I brought you the thing, bro. Thank you. Let's try this out. Oh. Yo, this is actually fire. Oh my god, yo. What? Holy shit, look at those birds. Oh my god. That's not good. That's bad. That's bad. Oh. Hey, you. Are you slacking off? I hope not. Get back to work. Wait, your helmet. Where's your helmet? You must wear a helmet at all times. Okay, whatever. Those robots don't build themselves. Go gather materials. Collect 200 Robo-Rocks. Holy crap. How do I get Robo-Rocks? Our barrels are really weak. Even a mouse could break them. Good to know. Okay. Need keycard. No keycard detected. Look, my little dancing boy. Look at him. This is the fifth helmet I lost this week. The inspector's gonna be so angry when he hears about this. Didn't a helmet get thrown over here? Or what? Oh my god. What? That wasn't even there. There you go. Thanks. I'm assuming he gave me a key card, right? Nice. Alright. Okay, I can't stop myself mid-motion. Gotcha. Alright, this will be fun. Oh. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's get this done. Look, is there like a lot over here? Ah. Oh shit. Oops. Oh, I should have broken that. No, god damn it. Oh wait. Ooh. What is that? Ooh, that was scary. Oh no! God damn it. This part is actually pain and agony. Alright, let's go, buddy. Oh, are you kidding me? I walked right into it, bro. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, pal. I'm actually gonna wait this time. Alright. There we go. Go, go, go. There we go. Boom. 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 Now wait. Yup. Boom. Boom. Now wait. Go, go, go. Boom. Now wait. Boom. Oh, god damn it. Now wait. One more. And then this guy's cooked. Boom. Too easy. 200 rocks. 211, actually. I got more than required. Cool. Can I leave? Okay. Sweet. Alright, turn in Robo Rocks.
Break time. Break time. Break time.
Break time.
Break time. Break time.
Hell yeah.
Break time. Break time. Break time. Break time. Break time.
Whoa, what are those dudes? And this is where workers come to rest and enjoy some of our entertainment animatronics. Oh my god, so cool. Shh, just because I was allowed to bring you to work today doesn't mean that we can go all crazy in here. Let's just watch the band. Where's the singer? Oh yeah, the lead singer, do you want to know that story? Tell me, please. So you probably already knew about the special robot Seabill produced himself a few years back. I do, Summer Crab, and the mushroom one. Oh, and the beaver. Yeah, so he made one for us workers, too. Oh. Oh boy. He was a duplicate of Seabill, only a little larger. Oh, I can't skip through this one. Damn. The name was Seabilly, but most just called him Seabill.exe. Makes sense. He was designed to entertain and serve drinks and ice cream. But as you can imagine, this did not end well. Oh shit, look at him. We heard about Summer Crab and the other special robots going wild. One of our workers got so scared that he tried to destroy Sally. Dude. We were able to stop him, but Seabilly was broken. Ah, damn. The other day, he was missing. We assumed a malfunction made him leave. Whoa, scary. That's so cool. I hope he visits us someday, then I can meet him. Better not. No one knows what the damage really did to him. Whoa, imagine if he'd come to get us at night while we're sleeping in our house not knowing. Wouldn't that be an awesome horror story? I don't think that's a new idea, bro. Aww. Oh boy. Gonna have a new, Can I put Rockstar Freddy here? There he is. Oh, wait. He had something. Oh. Oh, I see. That makes it easy. Alright, can I leave? Did I do what I needed to do?
snooping around, doesn't understand the concept of privacy. Mike, I would strangle you if I could. I can't do it in the open. Shut off this damn music! Anyway, I have to think of something fast. I have to kill him where nobody will ever find his body. I remember there being a good place for it, and someone to do it for me. I have to make him go there by himself, though. Nobody can ever know what my deal is. And if that doesn't work, well, I'll probably have to reactivate it. I'm so evil.
Oh shit. Hey Dad, where have you been? I was slightly worried. Worried because you don't have a brother who could take care of all the mess that is. Worried because you don't have a brother who could take care of all the mess that a missing Mike would cause. And we actually got 2 more submissions. You'll be doing these for the rest of the day, is that clear? Someone wants us to build a rock chop. They're practically the Chip-O-Mat 2.5, but not really. See you as soon as that's done. Sounds good. Rock chop. Let's see, what is that cost? I just need an old saw. Sounds good. Let's go get it. Should be at the shop. Or maybe I can get it from this guy. Watch, I'm gonna get it. Here we go. Watch, I'm gonna get it. Watch. Ready? 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 Old saw. Alright, let's go buy the old saw. Cool, that should be enough. Alright, I'm gonna put them over here. Boom! Another customer wanted a store machine. You may want to build something else first. Store machine? Whoa! Magic heart, metal bar, glass cage, and clouds. Well, I gotta make one of these, which means I need a crazier face. So I did need crazy face. Alright. Well, hold on. Look at all that free stuff. Okay. So, for the crazier face, I don't remember what I need. I gotta go back to the town. And then I'm gonna put it next to the Rocco mat, I guess. Like, I don't really know where else to put it. Let's get to work. One thing I do know is that you get the magic heart from the mini game. So, you gotta play that mini game. Okay, so I think... Hold on. Alright. Give me a lot of money. 48. 25 feathers. Oh, that's right. I have 37. Cool. Okay, I need that. Metal bar. Oh, shit. Let me out. Metal bar. What is that? Can I get a coffee? No, I don't. Okay. Now I need 2 metal bar. Okay, wait. Let me go craft the Mr. Rainmaker. I think that's what he's talking about when he says I need to craft something else. Or I might want to craft something else. Maybe just put it right here. Come on, faster! Okay, good enough. Let's get it. Come on, chop down. There we go. Alright, craft, boom. Mr. Rainmaker. Alright, so you should give me clouds. Let's go grind for the heart, and then alright, shoot the Chip-O-Mats. Oh yeah, superb.
Superb, baby.
Oh, I got the magic heart first try. Dope. Alright, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna kill... I haven't gotten a single metal bar yet, it looks like, so I don't know if I get it from these dudes. Unless I used it for something else, but... yeah. Oh, I just need the head and then the bars. Okay. Do I get it maybe from the dude... oh, wait, there was a dude selling something at Seabill's place. Hold on, let me go back. Alright, let's see what this guy sells. Oh, look at me. Let's just buy as many as I can. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, I'm all out. Okay, now I should be able to build it, right? Oh no, the clouds. How do you get clouds? Can I click on clouds? Is there any clouds? I don't think so. I'm just gonna have to wait for this guy. Do I really just have to wait for him? Alright, give me a lot of clouds. 9 clouds, perfect. Hey. Alright. Let's build the weather machine. Boom. Superb. Superb beaver. Whatever. It's late. You surely want to rest now. Oh boy. My favorite part of the game. What a weird day. You want to go to bed? Yeah. Good night. Okay, that's it.
Later that night. Oh boy.
Oh boy. New animatronic. It's that bird, dude. When you hear the monster's voice, right click to turn off the living room lights. You have enough time. Do your other chores first. Okay. I don't know what the monster sounds like. The beginning parts are always pretty easy. I mean... get out of here, buddy. See ya. Check for the crab. Check for dude over here. There's no dude over here. Oh shit, that was a monster for sure. Oh! Hurry! Hurry! Oh shit. That was scary. Alright. Well, now I know what the monster sounds like. Go away, crab. See ya. Okay, it's starting to ramp up. It's definitely starting to ramp up. I like the light off mechanic. That's cool. Crab. Oh, I heard some walking. I think that's, yeah. Check both sides. Yup. That dude does have an audio cue. I'm scared to go upstairs because I don't want to... It said I have time, so... Oh, what the fuck? What was that, dude? Are you kidding me? Was that supposed to happen? Oh my god. What is that? What is that? What is going on? Why am I having...
You took him
Oh my
away
god,
from
Jesus.
me.
No, no, I lost. Shit. It actually got me. Okay. Alright. Lock in time. I'm kind of just like in this cycle of check left window, check right window, check middle. And it's just working.
Come on, sing along.
Definitely not, dude. The crab got me killed last time, so I'm gonna check for the crab first. Some batteries. No, get the batteries. Christ. The crab, yep, I knew it. Get over here. Oh god, Jesus. Crab. No. No. Okay. That was scary. That was bad. That could have been really bad. Fucking phantom. Fucking, I don't even know who that is. Or it's like a phantom, so. Okay, it's gotta be over here. Spring crab, I know you're there. Nope. We got batteries, well. Alright. Just gonna do it. Hey, bird. Come on, hurry. Go to bed. Go. Yes! Oh, yeah. Who cares about dying? Who cares? Wake up. Early bird catches the worm. Yep. Alright, well. I'm gonna have to leave this episode here. I kind of just want to test the new setup, honestly. I also kind of want to stretch the series out. Anyway, let me know if you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, follow the Twitch, and